Now, how do you change the icon size on the iPad? Let me show you how it works from multiple different angles. Let me explain it all. And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. As I say, there are more ways how you can approach this. First of all, let me give you an example using the clock icon, right? So I have it on my home screen like this. And let's say I want to change the size of this and perhaps bump it up. So I'm specifically talking about this icon only. What I can do is I can hold it down on it. And if I zoom it in right here, we have some quick actions and so on, but you can see that I can change the size of it, right? So the first one, the smallest icon is available, but I can tap on the one next to it, which is basically going to turn it into a kind of like larger widget, right? So if I tap on it, you can see that it gets larger like that, and it is now technically not really an app anymore. It's a widget, but we basically were able to make or change the size of the icon and turn it into a larger widget, right? So I can make it come back and make it smaller like this. So that is one way. It kind of depends on the app, of course, and it just changes it into a widget. If you are looking for an approach to change the icon size around the whole iPad, you can be on the home screen as well. Hold down somewhere to enter the edit mode. And when you click on the edit in the top left, you can then click customize right here. And there is the ability at the bottom to change like the look of the icons, like make them go dark or whatever, but there is this little icon. So as well, let me zoom it in and you can see that it kind of looks like small and large icon, and you can use this to switch between the size of the icons, right? So as you can see, all of the apps got slightly larger like that, right? And you can as well see that they don't have the title below them anymore. So that's, I guess, one of the features too. Some people like it, some people do not. And that's how you can change the icons. But that's not really everything, because we can as well go to the settings app and part of the display and brightness here. So if you go to this section, at the bottom of this list, we can see display zoom, and if I click on it, there are essentially two ways you can have your display. There is the default as well as more space, and as you can see, there is a difference in the size of multiple things, like the notifications are larger, text message bubbles are larger in the default, but most importantly, the app icons. You could see in the more space view, they are much smaller. So if you switch to that mode and confirm it again, it's gonna reboot with the iPad very quickly, right? And right now, if I come back to the home screen, you can see that the icons are much smaller. So that is another way you can change the icon size. So I hope it helps. This is what I wanted to explain to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.